Hey everybody, it's Brian with Showcase Agency. Let's talk about how to go see a house that you want to buy that's listed for sale, but there's no open houses. So how are you going to get in there and check it out? Well, if it's a for sale by owner, that means they're not using a realtor. The owner's just got the house up for sale. Just reach out to the owner directly. That's how that works. But if the house is listed with a real estate agent, you got two options. You can reach out to the listing agent and have the listing agent show you the home, or you can reach out to your own agent and have them show you the home. So just one thing to keep in mind, if you do reach out to the listing agent and you're the buyer and you want to make an offer on that home, whoever shows you the home is the one that writes up your offer. So if you have the listing agent show you the house, and then later on the listing agent writes up the offer for you, just keep in mind the listing agent works for the seller, not working for you. So you don't have your own representation. That's a good reason to get your own agent. It's called a buyer's agent. And if you want any help with that, we'd be glad to help you out. And if you want more home buying guidance, you can check that out on our YouTube channel at showcaseyoutube.com.